Hey, what up you guys, David here, and today we're gonna do the oil filter video. I legit just got finished doing the other video with the mid pipe and everything like that. So as you see here, this is pretty bad. Oh, I should have never done that. That was stupid. It's all over my camera. Anyways, first things first, you want to do is disconnect the electrical. Place that somewhere safe. Now, make sure when you're getting your oil, get 5W20 because that's what like the makers prefers 5W20. Other than that, even on forums and everything, they say 5W20. Just because a deal at AutoZone, I got Pennzoil and then the filter was like 30 bucks for everything. But honestly, a lot of people go crazy hard on what type of oil. I would totally recommend following that. At the moment, I don't really mind anything. I just need to change the oil because I just have to, because you know how rotaries are. They burn through oil, and I doubt I have a lot of oil left. So, got this pan too. Just slide excess with all. Don't mind that. All that stuff's excess. Don't touch that. Make sure you have your oil pan. You got your bad boy all ready. And why not just have a funnel too? If you have it laying around, just use it. Just do that. Okay, so oil filter is going to be located right here. It's somewhere right there. Down there somewhere. You're going to have your oil ready to put that bad boy right there. Have your funnel ready too. So we're going to go down, up, and under. I'm gonna lay this down. Oh my god. Dude, I just finished the video with the mid pipe and I found the bolt that I was trying to look for. Sorry, I scratched the lens. The camera. Since I have my stuff laying around. So you have your trusty little wrench. I got my 3/4 because that's what I had laying around. Honestly, I don't know what the other one is, but the other one besides 3/4, but I just want my 3/4. Then you're gonna just, alright, I took like a quick Oreo break. Got some Oreos in my system, so excuse my teeth if you see any black marks. So that bad boy gave me problems. You know why? Because I'm an idiot. I was pulling this way because I was facing the nut that way, and I was like, yo, why is it not working? It's because lefty loosey, righty tighty is the solution. If you may ask, the reason why I'm emptying my oil is because I'm going back to college. College is coming soon, and I have to go back to school. Make sure you wear gloves or you're just a damn G and make sure the bolt's not gonna fall out. I hope this oil's not hot. Oh my god. Where is it leaking? Right here? Fix that bad boy. Sorry, am I blocking the way? Sorry. I'm a freaking G, bro. Did you see that? Let's put that in slow motion. Wow. Let's just put this bad boy right there for now. It's doing a little dancing game, bro. Empty that. Look how dark that oil is. You can just like almost touch it. Alright, I'm just gonna fast forward. That hurt. Alright, peeps. While it's still like, there's a little bit, just a little tad. I'm gonna go back up to your thing is. Okay, so while it's still emptying out, you're gonna go locate your filter. It's gonna be right there. You see it right there. So you're gonna take it out. Once you take it out, then you're gonna apply the new filter. I'm not gonna show you because I've been like fooling around the whole entire time, and I totally forgot how professional I have to be while doing these videos. But you just have to have fun while you're doing videos, because if you're by yourself, it's pretty boring. So I'm gonna still have fun. Right here, unplug it and take out your new one. Whatever oil. Here, I'll show you. Plug it. Oh, great. So once you have your oil filter out, all you're gonna do is take out your new one. Wow, this is fancy. I never had one that was all capped off. Anyways, just take off the plastic, whatever it has. You want to keep it lubed up. So you're gonna basically take whatever old oil there was. I'm just gonna lube it back up. You want to keep it very lubed, so when it starts back up again, it has no problems. It's just like everything. You should always do this no matter what. And when it goes in clean. So lube around the edges. Keep it. I feel like Bob Ross right now. I'm so passionate about my car. Anyways, get a little bit more. Make sure it's all lubed up. And get it in there. Once you have that, go back to the same spot that I showed you and tighten it up. And you should be Gucci. And it should go in flush. Yo, this is a badass filter, low-key. Once you have done all that, you're gonna go back under. Just to let you know, you guys know, make sure it's completely drained before you change the oil filter. Oh, I don't want to break my camera. So expensive. I don't want 800 or like $1,000 into the toilet. So see, you do not want that to happen. So what you're gonna do? Get your towels that you got from AutoZone for that dope ass deal for only a price of low as $39.99. Look at that. It's like a chamois. Chamois. Whee! Whee! Dude, after this, I'm gonna play some Fortnite. Get some more solo dubs. If you guys want to add me on Xbox, I'm gonna put on the screen. And we'll make some dank videos together. So add me on Xbox. Be a real one. If you say it's all about PS4, oh, that's a neck. That's a fat neck. Just leave a like on the video and subscribe if you're a PS4 player, because there's no need for you here. No, I'm kidding. Wipe it off. Make sure it collects whatever is left in there. Things clean. Same with your washer. If your washer's old, be sure to go to your local automotive store and buy a new one, because it really makes a difference if you have it or not. Clean up your mess. And we are gonna go back up top. Here. Okay, so I'm gonna put you guys right here because you guys can see everything. Signifies that it's the oil. Open up that bad boy. If you have a funnel, clean that bad boy out. So you're gonna unplug your cap. Oh shit. And to prevent it from spilling or spoiling out, all you gotta do, tilt it to its side, and voila. Normally, when you're changing your oil, for me, I only put in one of these tubes. So it's basically 1.25 gallon, and I just pour it all in there, and then from there I measure. But normally this does the job for me. I don't know about you guys. Never want to overdo it on oil, because pressure builds up and blammo, it's not a good day for you. So in this corner, you're obviously gonna have your little oil stick. Check that bad boy. Clean it off. Put it back in. Let it sit. Take it out. See where it's at. Just let it settle in, give it like 5-10 minutes, and then from there start your car so it goes through everything, like your transmission and all that. Make sure it's all good to go. Once you have done that, let it settle for a second. Yeah, just give it a couple seconds, minutes, and let it run through your engine. And once you have done that, I'm just gonna start it now so I don't waste time, because it's so hot outside. It's so hot out here in the Coachella Valley. Oh, that's what I forgot. I forgot that I turned off the electrical. I'm gonna plug back in your electrical. Okay, so with all that time that I just did to, I can put in back the battery. It should be fine now. So you're gonna start up your handy dandy car. You're gonna start it. Let it soar through the engine. Let it go through for a second. Don't press the gas. Just let it seep through. Check under if you see any oil. That oil spot right there is not from the oil. It was when I was putting back on the gas cap before I even put oil in it. And once you checked, it should be on the third line. You should evenly put it out like that. And once you've completely finished the oil change, just go under, make sure you clean up everything, let the car run a little bit, and check if there's any oil leaks or anything. I was just trying to have fun in this video while changing my oil because normally most of my videos are pretty straightforward, but I wanted to have a little fun and add some memes in this video. So sorry if you came here for professionalism. Majority of my videos are. It's just this one I want to have a little bit fun because it's been a hot, long day and I just want to have fun with doing my videos, you know? Have fun with my channel. Other than that, once you guys finish all that, you guys should be set to go. Just take off the car off its jacks, let it roll out, let it sit for a second, let it circulate through the system and everything. Once you have done that, you should be done with your oil change. Other than that, I still have to do some more things on my car before I set it off the jacks. I might put this video first and then after the my mid-pipe video that was supposed to be for today, but I switched it with this one. So enjoy the video. I'm sorry for that, you guys. If you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification to see when I upload again, and hit that like button. If you have any questions, go down in the comment section and hit me up. But if you want to hit me up personally for anything, go ahead and DM me. Other than that, my email is down in the description as well. So be sure you dispose of your oil correctly, you guys. I cannot stress that enough. Whatever bottle you used before, just get your oil pan and spill it back in to here. Bring it to your local AutoZone or somewhere that disposes of it, and make sure you do it the right way. Alright, you guys? So later, you guys. David, and I'm out.
Just let me know so